Hi, this is hopefully a quick tutorial that will show you how you can run a course relationship report in order to determine that you've done all of the course relationships you intended to do without having to hunt through various courses. Course relationships are done typically, the primary one we use in Liberty is to relate two courses together. So perhaps I want yearbook and photojournalism to meet together. I'm just making that up. Perhaps I want French 4 and French 5 to meet together, right? That could be the same teacher in the same room, in the same hour, but then with different kids coming in. So it's essentially a class within a class. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, go to PowerScheduler first of all, make sure you're in your school in your correct scheduling year. I'm going to come down under the Tools option to Reports. From here, you're literally just going to find the course relationships link, click on that, and then we're going to hit submit. So this would tell us as I look what course number one, what course number two, or course name one, what course number two, what course name two are related together. A key thing you want to notice, so at this school for this year, we took 2D AP Art and 3D AP Art, and they're being made to build together. When we're doing that type of a relationship where it's two classes together, same teacher, same room, it's actually two relationships. One of them, the first one, is blocked for building with, and we select the code simultaneous. Then we go back and do another relationship that says this course to this course again may be built concurrent with, and then there's no code. So that's the correct way to do this type of a relationship. This is a very easy way that you can see that you've related various courses together. That way, if you can't remember if you've done this step, you don't have to go to the courses and check. You can just run this report. Hope that's helpful.